In this video, I will show you how to log in to PayPal. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a internet browser, come across to google.com and Google search for PayPal. Once you've done that, you should see the PayPal website come up. Give it a click and that's going to take you to the website, which is paypal.com. From here, if you look in the top right hand corner, you're going to see the login button. And if you don't yet have an account with PayPal, there's also a sign up button, which I do also have a tutorial on, and I'll leave a link to that, which will pop up in the top right hand corner, so you can check that out if you want to create a new account. But if you already have a PayPal account, to log in, just simply click the login button. So what that's going to do is take you to the PayPal login screen, and you can log in with either your email address or mobile number, depending on what you use to sign up with PayPal. And once you've entered that, all you need to do is enter your password in and then click the login button. If you have forgotten your passwords, there is a link you can click saying forgotten password, so you can click that and follow the steps to recover your password, and then of course use that to log in to PayPal. Once you've entered your details, what that's going to do is log you into PayPal, and that is how to log into PayPal. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.